Please tell me how we can help you today.
Complaint.
We are currently receiving an extremely high volume of calls.
They're the calls we loathe having to make.
Thanks for your patience.
It can be extremely frustrating
So that was a waste of time.
and ridiculously time-consuming.
Got to get that pizza ordered.
But is their customer service different depending on why you're calling?
You shouldn't have to wait on hold. You shouldn't have to be transferred. You shouldn't have to be, feeling like a pinball.
Are they nicer if they think they're going to make a sale? And are they just as interested in talking to you if you're ringing to make a complaint?
Complaints should be easily accessible to all consumers.
Tonight, we put some of Australia's biggest and most profitable companies to the test. Banks,
Longest 3 minutes in history.
insurers,
So she is the complaint section.
That's correct.
phone companies,
No complaints department at all. You've just got to talk to your supervisor.
and airlines.
We're here for the long haul. For more information,
So are we.
Shane Bowering from Red Tape Busters volunteered to help with our investigation. As a consumer advocate, he deals with infuriating call centres every day.
I've got a pretty fair handle on how they should work and the customer service we should expect.
We start with the Commonwealth Bank and ring to ask about the variable home loan rate. The wait time, 3.5 minutes.
I can definitely help you with your home loan inquiry.
Sales service was quick, but we were let down by the bank's hard-to-navigate menu
Sorry, here are the options again.
and complaints handling process.
I'd like to talk to the complaint section, please.
I can certainly lodge a complaint for you.
But are you the complaint section is what I'm asking you.
No, I'm the Generals and Service section. Would you
So
like
we-
to go further through?
Yeah, I'd like to go to the complaint section,
No
please.
worries, Shane.
After waiting 5 minutes for someone in complaints, we were disconnected. Westpac sales took nearly 5 minutes to pick up, but the operator was friendly and helpful.
How can I help you with your new home loan inquiries today?
Making a complaint was more difficult. We were put on hold 8.5 minutes. The operator was pushy
I need to bring up your details, sir, and identify you. They won't take a call from someone that I haven't identified.
and acted more like the bank's gatekeeper.
Maybe I need to complain about you as well because you're not putting me through.
If you want to go directly to complaints, should they just put you through?
Yes, they should.
Next, the NAB.
Welcome to NAB. Main menu.
We rang about the home loan rate first.
The anticipated hold time is 3 minutes.
3 minutes, not too bad. Or so we thought.
What are we up to now? 5 minutes?
Yeah, nearly 6. 5.5.
Your call has progressed in the queue.
8 minutes.
Almost forgot what we're calling for.
15 minutes.
Just ridiculous.
After 20 minutes, the bank's lucky we're still on the line, and we wonder if they really want our business.
Welcome to NAB. You're speaking with Jackie. How can I help you?
Contacting complaints was just as difficult.
I haven't got a department. I've got a manager here that you can speak to.
We waited 6.5 minutes to get to that point, and another 5.5 minutes to speak with someone who could help.
The manager must be a long way down the hall.
At the ANZ, the menu sent us round in circles.
How frustrating.
Phone and internet banking.
And to the wrong departments.
Welcome to ANZ Small Business.
It took more than 6 minutes to speak to a salesperson, but for once, we got straight through to a complaints specialist.
This is the complaint section. How may I help?
Joe Uchukalo runs consumer website Handle My Complaint.
Talking with the complaints area not only, hopefully resolves your consumer issue, but also assists the organisation in improving processes and services.
But don't expect to voice your gripe with anyone but customer service if you ring insurer NRMA late in the day.
I'm a team manager, so I'm...
So is there no complaint section within our NRMA?
So there's our complaint section as such, they finish at 5 p.m.
It took 5 minutes for them to admit their so-called complaints staff had actually knocked off for the day, and we were on hold nearly 4 minutes for our car insurance inquiry. In stark contrast, we waited less than 45 seconds to talk to Suncorp, AAMI and Allianz about car insurance.
Probably anything's going to be better than the banking sector.
And the hold time for complaints with those same three insurers was less than 4 minutes.
Welcome to the Budget Direct Sales Centre. My name's Damien. How can I help you today?
Despite the bad rap call centre workers get, Budget Direct's Damien Jeffrey loves his job. He was named Australia's best operator in 2012.
It was fantastic. It was a great honour.
Damien believes customers deserve good service, no matter what.
The fact then that you need to complain and you get transferred around and become a pinball, it's unacceptable.
So is the appalling wait time with Qantas.
Thanks for your patience. We currently have longer than normal wait times.
We rang to book a domestic flight.
It's not sounding positive.
No. 28 and a half minutes later, we were finally through.
Welcome to Qantas. Stephanie.
We actually know how long you've been waiting and we'll be very apologetic when you get online.
But there was no apology from sales or complaints, which kept us waiting more than 7 minutes.
If they think that's customer care, they're kidding themselves.
Welcome to Virgin Australia, this is Lam, and how can I help you?
The wait to make a booking with Virgin Australia was just over a minute, but it was more than double that to complain, and we weren't allowed to do it on the phone.
They can only assist you in terms of writing a letter or complaint to them.
When it came to mobile phone sales service, Telstra kept us waiting longest, 4 minutes, followed by Optus on 3 minutes, Vodafone 1.5 minutes, and Virgin just over a minute.
Thank you so much for your time calling and
Thank
have
you.
a good one. Bye for now.
But Telstra proved best for complaints. After a couple of minutes on hold, we were connected directly.
Yeah, you definitely come through here.
The wait times for the other telcos was about the same, but the response, disappointing and frustrating. Optus.
Because to be honest with you, sir, we in customer service are the complaint section.
Virgin.
Let me just transfer your call now.
Thank you.
And Vodafone.
You can have a word with my supervisor if you like.
The final word on getting a result for your gripe: don't give up and
Have all your facts together and also allow sufficient time to not only get your complaint started but to see it through the process.